During din po ng Sui Dynasty, na-repair ang Great Wall of China. So, they strengthened defense against northern invasion. Mas pinalakas pa nila yung the Wall of China. So, Sui Dynasty military campaign. So, Korean War. Emperor Yang invasions of Goryeo were massive but failed. So, gustong-gusto talaga ni Emperor Yang na mapalaki pa ang China. And dahil nga doon is nagplano sila na atakihin yung Goryeo ng Korea na para maangkin ng kalupaan na to. So, it was massive but it eventually failed. So, dahil nga sa failed na war is nagkaroon ng mga heavy losses, na-weaken yung empire and nag-widespread yung rebellion dahil nakita nila na wala namang kinahantungan yung ginawa ng emperor. And kapag talaga nagkakaroon ng war is apektado talaga yung mga mamamayan or yung mga normal na tao. So, the Sui Dynasty, religion and culture. So, dito naman na umuspong yung bagong culture sa China, which is Buddhism, promoted as a unifying faith. Grand temples and statues built and spread of Buddhist art and architecture. So, dito daw po sa time na to, nagkaroon ng Buddhism. And dahil nga sa honor na yun, dahil nga doon is maraming ginawang mga statues and temples na para sa Buddhist faith. So, Confucianism naman is revived in government and education. So, the fall of Sui, failed Korean Wars, the forced labor on the Grand Canal, and Emperor Yang's extravagance spark uprising. So, nawalan din po pala ng mandate of heaven dahil sa failed wars, forced labor sa pag-strengthen ng Great Wall and pagpapagawa ng Grand Canal or yung daanan para mas mapadali yung trade is nawala ng mandate of heaven yung Sui Dynasty. And isa na din sa mga dahilan nila is yung extravagance ng kanilang emperor na nag-spark ng uprising ng mga commoners. So by 618 CE, revolt spread. So, and dahil nga doon, Emperor Yang was assassinated. So, yung General Li Yuan seized power and founded the Tang Dynasty. So, yan po si General Li Yuan. So, the Tang Dynasty succeeded the short-lived Sui and became one of China's greatest era. It was known for political stability, cultural brilliance, and international influence. A true age of Chinese civilization. So, sinundan naman po ito ng Tang Dynasty and it's considered naman po as one of China's greatest eras. So, Emperor Taizong or Li Shimin expanded China's borders, reformed and government, and strengthened the economy. Emperor Xuanzong ruled during the peak of Tang prosperity, promoting art and trade. So, Empress Wu Zetian, the only female emperor in Chinese history. So, as you can see, parang dito parang sa kanya talaga inspired yung some of the elements nung game. Kumbaga if you're familiar yung game na ML, lately, nung mga nakaraan, nag-release sila ng bagong hero. Kumbaga si Seth yan. So, I think na they consider the history of China in making her. Kasi as you can see, yung wardrobe niya, yung name, and yung backstory niya is somewhat similar dun sa game character. So, siya naman po ang pinakaunang empress or the only female emperor sa Chinese history. So, she promoted education and sinusuportahan din niya ang Buddhism. So, ang Tang Dynasty naman po is ang nag-perfected the imperial examination system. So, na-perfect ng Tang Dynasty kung paano ginagawa ang imperial examination system. So, allowing officials to be chosen by merit rather than birth. Medyo similar lang din to kanina na hindi kinukonsider na anak ka ng kung sino man, kundi kung ano yung kakayanan mo or ano yung na-achieve mo, saka ka lang tataas ang posisyon, ganun. And Tang Dynasty then also encourage trade and agriculture. So, the Grand Canal and Silk Road boosted economic activity. So, during this time, natapos na yung Grand Canal and natuloy na ulit nila yung pakikipagpalitan sa Silk Road na nagdahilan ng boost sa economic activity ng lugar. So, ito naman po ang isang of the infrastructure during the Tang Dynasty. So, Chang'an or modern Xi'an become the world's largest city and a major hub for global exchange. So, dito daw po dito yung lugar kung saan nagkakaroon ng mga pagpapalitan or global exchange. So, poetry flourished.
Like Levi and Dushu became cultural icons. So, yung part niya ko po is madidiscuss niyo po yung about sa mga poets na to or mga writers na to. So,